I found an old wallet of mine, Nacho, from like 2012 or something, and I actually have like some like cents of a Bitcoin. I had like $3 in there. I got it like so long ago. I think it was from faucets that were around back in the day. I think that's really what it was. I think I had some faucets that I was using when they were giving coins away. That's even more crazy, right? Okay, let's see if this holds. Come on. The 26 should have held. All right, I see us live again. Let's see. Okay, so one of the streams is live now. Yeah, price action is definitely nice today. Better than it was yesterday. Man, why are the dual streams not working? I don't get it. My speed is pretty good too. Okay, so the X stream is live. Okay, cool. I think we should be good now. I think we should be solid now. Sorry about that. I just having some difficulties getting the streams up and stuff. So I think we're solid now. It keeps saying stream isn't live. What? Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah, because even the kick streams do not want to stay live. Hey Anna, how are you? Good morning to you. Yeah, good morning, Anna. Sorry about that. Yeah, struggling with getting the streams live, but I think for the most part, the ones that are relevant and important are live. So, okay, cool. I'm going to go ahead and leave that alone. I think we should be fine. Throw a disclaimer on real quick. All right. Welcome to Blue Sky Live's midday stream. Today is February 17, 2026. And it's a return to reality vibe. Markets are reopening after a 3-day holiday weekend after the initial reaction is a bit of a hangover for the tech sector. Here's a report breakdown you can. So midday snapshot is SPY's trading around 677, down 0.7%. The Qs are down at 594.69, down 1.2%. The VIX spiked early to 22.7, signaling some elevated nerves as traders digest the long weekend news. Big story today is a rotation still away from AI's bigwigs. Investors are starting to differentiate between companies that benefit from AI and those that might disrupt it. We're seeing weakness in software, finance, and real estate services like CBRE as the market reprices the long-term impact of new AI tools. January CPI data came in slightly better than expected at 2.4%, matching the lowest levels we've seen since 2021. However, the 10-year Treasury yield is hovering around 4.04%. The market is still drifting while waiting for the USDA Outlook Forum and more concrete economic signals later this week. The sector heat maps Laggers are tech, finance are leading the slide. General Mills is also down significantly, 3.4% after reporting that customers are feeling less confident and potential red flag for consumer spending. Utilities and certain high income ETFs are showing relative strength as traders seek defensive plays amidst the tech chop. So I guess we're kind of looking at for midday pressure. We've got that base formed. Kind of slow going into the close of the London session here. Still holding though. EMAs look like they wanted to cross over there. Okay. Stick with this. Put my stop at the 200 just in case. Let's just hold this bad boy. The Russell is also testing the 200 on the 15. It's actually trying to get above it right now as we speak. BTC just broke 68,000. We'll take a look at that. Oh, above the 200 on the 3. Okay. What's gold doing? Still holding. Looks like it wants to get under the EMAs. Looks like they're going to turn it unless it can hold. They got to get above 4,906 and their next, and they're going to break the opening range. Bottom of the opening range on gold is 4,911. Take a look at ES. ES looking strong as well. Looks like it's holding this this bounce. I need to get my chats up. Yeah, okay, this one's closed. I think that's live. That is live. Okay, cool. All right, I think I'll got all my chats up now. Holding cut nicely. Let's go look at that M&Q trade. All right, we're green now on it. Let's go. Let's see if we can get to that orb high. Again, it's at 24,804. After that, I'd be shooting for a London high at 24,920. So we do have some nice upside targets that aren't too out there. So do the bulls have it? Can New York launch give us a nice little slow grind to the upside and continue it? Let's go back to the heat map, see what's happening. Apple's still green. Nvidia is actually slightly more green. Bitcoin's still making that upside push. I'm getting alerts on AVGO green. So chips look to be rebounding quite nicely. Tesla's still struggling. I was looking at that earlier. That's probably our lagger right there. Probably dragging us down. Well, it's got a little bit of a rebound. Okay. What about MSFT? Let's check out Microsoft. Or Google is like bleeding every which way just a little bit ago. It looked like it. So I guess overall, the tech sector is looking quite a bit similar. They're all bouncing in their own areas. Let's take a look at Walmart, WMT, see what that's doing for us. Still selling. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's pretty interesting right there. They gave up all that move. What kind of news came out of Walmart? Oh, so I guess their Q4 earnings are coming up. That might be what's affecting it, you know? Surprise. Well, I guess with the economy and everything the way it is, maybe they're going to report poorer than expected numbers. But the bear stepped in and stopped that down. All right, let's see. What else do we have going on in the news? How's it going, Nacho? How's your day so far? Not too bad. Get a little choppy here. Man, I hope we don't get chopped up during New York lunch. I'd like to see a continuation of the trend. I'm pretty sure you guys, yeah, y'all can still hear me. I can see my mic moving. How's it going, Tiffany? How's your morning so far? Fantastic. SNDK 1,500%. I didn't even realize that on Morrow. What? When was SanDisk up that high? Oh, because you had your never mind. I was like, what? That was about that question from earlier. And the market has just gotten slow. Like the volumes just left. The Brits taking off, they took it with them. Everything just got kind of slow. Let's take a look at the Dow, see what the Dow is doing. So, Dow is actually green. Well, Dow and ES are slightly like barely green. Dow 0.07, 0.08, 49609 right now. Might be making a nice little flag here, which is good. See how long it takes for this flag to break out. I'll keep an eye on this. Alert right there. So if it goes for VWAP. No, we don't break down here. Then we'll end up ranging. By the way, I have some great ideas. I can make custom arts for your channel. Yeah, I got. Well, most of the artwork I use for Blue Sky is all provided from our graphics department. So we actually have a company that does that for us, like a brick and mortar business. But you should pop in the Discord. You never know. We're always looking for talented folks. Just hanging on the 9. God, this has such a far way. It could just dip. Come on, Bulls. Let's do this. How's it going? Why is this live? Good to see you in chat. What's up, Hirsch? How's it going? Good morning. Yeah, I'm just cooking in this. I'm just cooking in this right now. Just waiting for the trend to go in my direction. Let's go back to gold, see if gold's doing anything. Oh my goodness. Looks like gold wants to turn. I was short on silver earlier. Oh, looks like Bitcoin is rejecting the EMAs as well. What's the Dow doing? So just chilling right there. Can you please drop down your Discord on chat? Oh, yeah, sure. And there you go. There's a link to our Discord right there for you. Is anybody else in a trade already? Is anybody else? Well, I'm sure somebody's shorting this. Oh man. Yeah, I feel you on that. I feel you on that. I was looking at his chart too. Sometimes we get lucky and he'll share it here though. So I try to keep an eye on it just to at least see what his trend is like. I haven't had my Rinkos up in a while. Whenever I see his chart, it always makes me think I should be opening up my Renko charts. Oh man, what a slow grind. Ah, you're like, which direction? Where'd he go? And then boop, gone. Like, dang it. Come on. It's like Amazon is kind of catching a bid. Drop down your Discord on chat. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, good. Gotcha. Cool, cool, cool. Come on, Bulls. Don't give up on me. I don't think I want to lose this much. Tell you it's not fair. I mean, we can do like a petition, bring Steve back. Oh, I hate when the market consolidates like this. This is when you wish Becky was around. She'll start talking to you about trade psychology and it's definitely nice to have someone to talk to. My username in Discord is Rizzler, Anna. Okay. Yeah, but I'm not the boss here. I just stream for the channel and stuff. So you really would need to talk to the folks that are in charge, and I'm not at all. Melatonin time. Uh-oh. It's too early for me to go to sleep. Maybe I should take some melatonin so I come back and this thing will be green. Let's see. I'm gonna move my stop like right here. Well, I should have went in there. I could have probably gotten a way better fill. Oh lordy. Slow midday, that midday chop. Mm. Wow. Finally. Oh, now we're red again. I hope this isn't my opportunity to get out and then it dumps it right. I've had that happen to me a couple of times. More times than I'd like to say. Like it'll push up like that and it'll just boom. And it's like, dang, I guess I should have just taken like, a couple of bucks out of that. The short was way better, or, the opposite trade, whatever. So I want my refund. All right, the Dow is crossing 49,674 now, ripping to the upside. My Russell trade is smoking right now. I actually got a pretty good entry on. I got a really good entry. I almost like bottom ticked it on the Russell. It looks flaggy on some of the other time frames, and the other thing I'd seen was the W that we had formed. So this is what I was looking at right there tomorrow. You could see it on the 5. Oh, like a triple bottom on the 3. You could see real nice right there. Looks pretty nice on the 9-minute or on the flag of it right now. And then I noticed on the Dow looks like it's in just a big old flag it made. That's a 15-minute right there too. So I don't know what they're gonna do with this thing. I mean, the good thing about the Dow is it's got some legs. It could go if it wanted. Rejection. We're like 3 minutes away from New York lunch team. Come on, hold this thing. Pushing up now again. Green again on the trade. Definitely a good sign. Amazon's up 1% for the day. That's pretty good. Eesh. Bitcoin looks like it's about ready to turn. Let's take a look at gold. Yikes. Trying to go for that intraday high. So right now on ES, your high of the day is 6,866.75. You're going to break that flag? You wanted to short silver and froze. I don't think today is my day. I feel you on that. I feel you on that, brother. I feel about the same way myself. Right, the 200 on this now. Dang. Well, if that's the case, they're going to sell us in a New York lunch. They're not going to hold the flag, I guess. But to invalidate it, you gotta get below 24,691. Oh man. And welcome to New York lunch, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what retail does. See if they hold this flag. Exactly. Where's Becky when we need her? That's what I'm talking about. Come on, give us a little bit of a bounce there. Come on. Bounce it a little for me. And the Russells kind of pull back some, almost at the bottom of the flag as well. Yeah, Becky must be busy this morning. Come on, give us that push up. You're almost there. What's up, Tipped? Oh, I know you're bearish today. You bearish today? How's your morning session? Dang. Come on, bulls. They're fighting. But 600 level on the Qs is red. Shh. It looks like it. There's a lot of open interest at the 600. There's a metric ton of open interest there. Traders are just piled up there. They're trying to push it down. Come on, bulls. Come on, bulls. Let's go. Man, they could smoke those bears. There's a lot of orders there. If they push it up, man, they're gonna tear them up. Already losing value on their cons. Dip like 10 cents on that push up. Oof, those puts just lost another 10 cents. Yeah, they're getting smoked. All right, Tiffany, have a great day. We will see you tomorrow. Yeah, and don't forget, team, today we have Coach Becky's lab today. So we've got trade psychology going on after market close, and that is just 3 doors down. Do not want to miss that. Coach Becky will be going over her trade psychology tips and tricks that help her stay green in the market. That's also recorded on YouTube. Absolutely. You're correct, Tiffany. You can catch that recorded on YouTube.